Everyone, welcome back to our channel. How are you guys doing? I know it's been a long time since we last posted. So today we are gonna be playing Whiskey in the Jar. So what are you waiting for? To play it, I'll play. So to tell you how to teach you first, I'm gonna play. Let me start. So part 2. I'm gonna first play it, then I'll tell you how. Okay, so now let's start. First, the notes are D, E, 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 F sharp, G, G, F sharp, E, D, D, G, F sharp, E, B. Let me play it a little slower for you. D, E, 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 F sharp, G, G, F sharp, E, D, D, G, F sharp, E, B. Okay, now the numberings. So the numbering are 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 2, 5, 4, 3, 1. A little slower, I guess. 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 2, 5, 4, 3, 1. Okay, so that's part 2. So let me put it together. Okay, so keep practicing until you get the right keys and you remember it. So part 3 is exactly the same as part 1. So it's literally practically the same. So all the numberings are same, everything is same, like everything. So moving on to part 4. So part 4 is similar to part 2 but it's a little different. So let me play it once for you. Okay, so that's part 4. So let me tell you the keys. Okay, the keys are D, E, 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 F sharp, G, G, F sharp, B, D, D, G, F sharp, E, D, B, G. Let me play it a little slow. I guess it's a little too fast. D, E, 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 F sharp, G, G, F sharp, E, D, D, G, F sharp, E, D, B, G. Okay, so now the numberings. Now the numberings are okay 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 2, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2. 1, 5 actually. Actually 1, 2, yeah, 1, 2. So during in this position, you have to move your index finger above your thumb. It's like crossing over it. You have to cross it over and play G with your index finger. So let me play it once again, a little bit slower, so that you can hear it and see it properly. Watch carefully. 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 2, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2. So that's part 4. Now we are going to go to part 5. Part 5 is, let me play it for you once. Okay, so that's part 5. So that is the notes are A, 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 B, B, A, B, C, D, E, E, D, E, F, G. So that's the part 5. Let me tell you the numbering. Right, the numbers are 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the numbering of part 5. So moving on to the ending. So now we are going to be playing the ending. The ending is very short. In fact, it's only six notes. So it's very easy. So let me start. That's it. So in this part, you realize that the notes are E, D, B, A, G. So when I played A, G, you realize that I did the same thing. I went over it. I crossed over it. But then when I went to G, I slided under my index finger and played it on the thumb. So I played it like, okay, the numbering, I don't think you will need to tell you, but I'll just tell you. 3, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1. It's very simple. So now we're gonna be playing the full song. So now the full part. Let's begin. Okay, so that. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you'll practice this very well. I hope. So make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.